Hi there, this is Chris Callett with musicgrid.com, and I'm here to show you how to adjust images in the dot dot slider so that you can change the size. Now, as you can see, this slider has 3 slides in it with these nice little navigation dots here and text. If we click into it, we can see that this text block here is situated aligned right up to the edge of the slider. Now currently, if I try to change the size of this, it will bounce to where the starting point of this file is, and it's set to scale to fit rather than scale to fill. So if we went scale to fill, we can see it could scale the image there. If we undo, let's take this back to the beginning here. So what we want to do is we want to move these text files, these text blocks over. So I'm going to go into each slide and I'm going to change their position, and then that gives me the ability to scale the image. But you'll notice that the image isn't, in this one, is chopping off on the bottom here. So what we want to do is just make sure that that's set to scale to fill rather than scale to fit. So we'll go to our previous image here, select the background there, and we'll go scale to fill. And our first image here, and again we'll go to scale to fill. And now we've been able to adjust the size of our image slider, and we may want to move the dots over as well, so we just can select all 3 of those and we can move them over so that they're better positioned on the slider. There has been some issues with the slider not resizing outside of the solution we're showing here, which seems to be an issue with a previous version of Muse that this was created in. So what we've done is we've uploaded a new version of this up online, and if anybody is having the same trouble, then we can send them the new file. But aside from that, it all works great, and we look forward to seeing what you build with it. Thanks for watching.